What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Clutch, and today we doing the top 10 largest animals on the planet. Um, I'm ready. Let's get it. Let's get it, cause I really want to see, what I'm saying, what's out there, like, what I'm saying, like what's really out there. So let's get it.
Welcome to Mega Top 10s. In this video, we will explore the top 10 largest animals on the planet from various categories.
Okay.
Number 10, the Japanese spider crab. The Japanese spider crab
What
has the
the?
largest leg span of any arthropod, 4
Yo.
meters from claw to claw. The body can grow to a size of 40 centimeters in terms of carapace width, and the whole crab can weigh up to 20 kilograms. The males have the longer chelepeds. In
Okay, I
its
see how
natural
this video
habitat,
go.
the Japanese spider crab is an omnivore and feeds on
I
shellfish
wouldn't be
and
picking that
animal
up.
carcasses
I'm not gonna lie, I'm
and
not
may
gonna be
live up
picking
to
that
a
up.
whopping 100
I don't
years.
even want to get
The crab is orange with white
near
spots
that
along
thing,
the legs.
yo.
Despite looking scary, the
Feel
crab
like
is
you could
actually
just
very
do-
gentle.
Okay, general.
Number
I won't
9,
be.
green
I wouldn't know.
anaconda. The green anaconda is the world's heaviest and one of the longest snakes, reaching 5.5 meters long. More typically mature specimens can range up to 5 meters in length.
How do they be?
The
And he got
females,
his
at
bare
around a mean
hands?
length of 4.6 meters, are generally much larger in adulthood than the male. Numerous historical accounts of green anacondas are reported, often of improbable sizes. Several zoologists note rumors of snakes over 12 meters long. A $50,000 cash reward is offered for anyone who can catch an anaconda 9.1 meters or longer.
I bet y'all get
Number
50,000.
8,
Heck, bro.
ocean sunfish. The ocean sunfish, or mola mola, is the heaviest bony fish in the world, with a weight of 1,000 kilograms.
No, that can't.
The species is native to.
Hold on. That's not a fish, bro. And what is that in? What's that? Yo, they really, So they hit him with, that must be like a harpoon or something. That's not a fish, bro. They calling stuff like, no, bro. Look, it's way bigger than your body. No. Hell no. The species is native to tropical and temperate waters around the globe. It was a fish head with a tail. The body is flattened laterally. No, that's too big. It's too big, bro. And then people just be like, hey, fish. No, leave what is that. He chilling for real. No.
Tropical and temperate waters around the globe. It resembles a fish head with a tail, and its main body is flattened laterally. Sunfish live on a diet consisting mainly of jellyfish, but because this diet is nutritionally poor, they consume large amounts to develop and maintain their great bulk. Females of the species can produce more eggs than any other known vertebrate, up to 300 million at a time. Number 7. Chinese giant salamander. The Chinese giant salamander is the largest salamander in the world, reaching a length of 1.9 meters.
No.
The Chinese giant salamander feeds on insects, frogs, crabs, shrimp, and fish. It has very poor eyesight, so it depends on special sensory nodes that detect vibration. The female lays around 400 to 500 eggs in an underwater breeding cavity, which is guarded by the male until the eggs hatch after 50 to 60 days later. It is considered critically endangered due to habitat loss and overcollecting, as it is considered a delicacy. Number 6. Saltwater crocodile.
Wow.
The saltwater crocodile is the largest of all living reptiles.
Hippo.
It is found.
Yo. Now y'all know a hippo is huge. The saltwater crocodile, largest of all living reptiles. He really just, his jaw is as big as the whole hippo. And that John just, And you know what's crazy? I ain't gonna. It's hats off to whoever like taking these pictures. Like y'all really, you know what I'm saying? Like that's tough. That's tough. That's tough.
Mainly in northern Australia. Mature males can exceed 6 metres and weigh more than 1,000 kilograms.
Mature man.
This
Hold on.
species is the
Wait. So what was I looking at? What was I just looking at? Cause why is this? Wait. Mature males can exceed 6 meters and weigh more than 1,000 kilograms. 2,200 pounds. This is the only crocodilian to regularly exceed 4.8 meters. So why am I? Is that a baby? That must be a baby. That must be a baby.
only extant crocodilian to regularly exceed 4.8 metres. Females are much smaller and often do not surpass around 3 metres in length. As the name implies, this species of crocodile can live in salt water. The saltwater crocodile is an opportunistic apex predator capable of taking any animal that enters its territory. Number 5. Polar bear.
Didn't know what he'd do to me.
The largest living land carnivores are the polar bear and the Kodiak bear at around 700 kilograms in weight. Kodiak bears range from 200 to 315 kilograms for females.
This gotta be fake. This gotta be fake. Ain't no way a bear that big. Ain't no way. Is that bear is dead or he cat? Oh, he yo. And you so this man. Okay, all right. What if that bear was just playing dead? Like, oh, he just playing dead. Like, oh, I'm just gonna wait for you know what I'm saying? Like, got it. Hey, sir, you got it. Not me.
And 360
Not
to
me.
700 kilograms for males. Females are typically about 20% smaller and 30% lighter than males.
Gloves
The
at?
polar
Put some
bear
gloves
is a
on.
marine mammal because it spends many months at sea. It is the only living marine mammal with powerful legs that allow them to run on land. The
Ooh, look at that
heaviest
jaw.
polar and brown bear weights recorded were respectively 1,003 kilograms
That other bear
and
was something different. No.
1,135
See, that looked like a
kilograms.
bear. That
Number
other
4.
bear, nah.
Elephant seal. The southern elephant seal is the largest carnivore living today
Ooh, that's
at
an
around
ugly
4,000
animal.
kilograms
No,
in weight.
I'm sorry.
This seal's size shows extreme sexual dimorphism, possibly the largest of any mammal, with the males typically 5 to 6 times heavier than the females. While the females average 400 to 900 kilograms in weight and 2 to 3 meters in length, the bulls average 2,200 to 4,000 kilograms and 4.5 to 6 meters. The record-sized bull shot in 1913 measured 6.85 meters long and weighed 5,000 kilograms. Number 3. Giraffe. The giraffe is an African mammal, the tallest living terrestrial animal and the largest ruminant. Fully grown giraffes stand at 5.5 meters tall, and the tallest recorded male was 5.88 meters. The maximum recorded weight is 1,930.
It's a it's like let's say it's at 5, so About 15 feet. That's not really tall. Not tall. So this is really about like 15. You know what I'm saying? I'll say 15 to 20 feet. Hey, is that tall? I don't know.
Kilograms
I
for
feel like
an adult
giraffes
male.
like 50.
The giraffe
50
has an
feet
extremely elongated neck, which can be over 2 meters in length, which makes up for almost half the animal's vertical height. Giraffes eat the twigs of trees, which are important sources of calcium and protein to sustain its growth rate. Number 2. African bush elephant. The African bush elephant is the largest living terrestrial animal and is larger than the forest elephant. On average, males are 3.3 meters tall at the shoulder and 5.5 tons in weight, while females are much smaller at 2.5 meters tall and 3 tons in weight. The most characteristic features of African elephants are their very large ears, which they use to radiate excess heat, and their trunk with fingers at the end of it. The adults have no predators due to their size, but the calves are vulnerable to lion and crocodile attacks. And number 1, blue whale. At 30 meters in length and 180 metric tons in weight.
Now that's big. 30 meters? The giraffe was over there like what I said 15 to 20 feet tall. And that's he was only 5 meters. That gotta be like $200 feet.
The blue whale is the largest known animal. The blue whale has some of the largest organs. Its tongue weighs around 2.7 tons, and when fully expanded, its mouth is large enough to hold up to 90 tons of food and water. The heart of the blue whale weighs the same as a mini cougar and is the largest known in any animal. Unfortunately, blue whales have relatively small brains. During the summer, the blue whale consumes 40 million krill a day, which is a whopping 1.5 million calories. We hope you enjoyed this video.
I did. I really did. I really enjoyed that video, y'all. Listen. The craziest thing I seen in that video was that bear that looked fake. Can somebody tell me if that bear was real? Didn't look real. But listen, that's the end of the video, y'all. I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? We out. Oh!